video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a rechargeable battery, a 20-volt rechargeable battery from the company Simacity. Maybe how you would say that. And this is a one-piece 6 amp hour Dewalt style battery. Check this out. And actually, how do I know it's a Dewalt style battery? Because check it out. I have a Dewalt charger and a Dewalt battery, actual Dewalt battery, and you can see it right here. You can see the connection right there. I'm going to show you the battery, 20 volt max, and it's a 6 amp hour. Here's a 20 volt 2 amp hour. You can see the difference of them there. You can see how this has, the Dewalt has it on the front. This has the indicator on the back. And what I'm going to do in this video is I've got a couple of Dewalt adapting tools here that I'm going to show you how this battery works extremely well. You get a little bit of instructions with it. You can see right there, 20 volt battery, and it works with the DC200, the DC180, 181, 182, and this charger, I just plugged this charger in. Check it out. I'm going to show you. This is a Dewalt charger, so there it is. Dewalt battery works. The battery I have here works. It's a little tougher to put on, I notice, is the way it feels like it's not as wore down as much. Now, this is an older battery. I've had this maybe 2 or 3 years. So what happens, I think, is the thickness here gets worn down some, and then that's why it goes in there. But check it out. This fits like a brand new one. That's like a solid fit, and you can see it is charging there. Works really well on Dewalt. So this works on a Dewalt charger. It's just harder to get on and off, but I think after I use it a little bit, it'll go on there. So let's go ahead, let's try this ratchet. Now this ratchet system, I'll show you. Here's the Dewalt battery. You can see it there on the side. Well, that worked. Now let's try the battery, this one. Check this out. Well, that worked just fine too. I've been using this and it actually holds the power very well. So here's this little blower. I'll show you the Dewalt battery. So there's that. Dewalt battery works with that. Let's try the replica battery. Works just fine. Very affordable 6 amp hour battery. I highly recommend this battery. So everybody, there's times you want to get like the brand name battery like this, but there's other times when it comes to a spare or a backup, I don't see an issue at all. I would use this as my go-to battery. I still use this one on all my tools, but now I went ahead and got one of these and I've been using this and it works just fine, if not better. And I can tell you by the way it feels, it's definitely a heavier battery. You can see the connectors are just identical on this. And like I said, the buttons feel almost identical. I don't really see a difference in these. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Dewalt replica battery. See you on the next video.